How to set tasks in KayScience in seconds. Select your year, then your class. Select your subject, then select the task that you want to set your kids for homework. Set the start date and the due date. You can also post-date the task if you want to, so it appears on their dashboard at a later date. You can also upload PDFs or Word documents that they can download from their accounts. Check who has or hasn't done their homework in seconds. You can also check if they've watched the videos or not. Use a performance page to see the last time your pupil logged in, the total number of videos they've watched, the total minutes of videos they've watched, and how many questions they've answered and how many questions they've got correct. Use the quiz tracker to see all the scores they've ever achieved in any homework you've ever set them. You can use it for parents' evening or to call home if they haven't been doing their homeworks. Out of Specialism Teacher and ECT, our videos are there to upskill you, with formative assessment in each video and a gap fill and questions with answers, so you've always got something for the kids to do. Want access to all our resources? Exam booklets with loads of exam questions, past papers, our KayScience video booklets with gap fills and questions from the videos? Look no further than our resources tab. You'll always have something for the kids to do. Here's our low stakes quiz maker, used for retrieval and do nows in lessons. Select the topics that you want, set the questions, they appear on the screen. Click on the questions, the answers appear. You can click for all the answers to appear at once, and regenerate new questions if you want. Do you want your students to promote their formulae? Well, you can put the formula practice on the board for them. Want to make your own bespoke booklet? Use our worksheet maker to make your own booklets in seconds. Select the questions that you want from the topics that you want, select export, put a title on, and there you go. Questions with the answers for any topic across the entirety of the GCSE and Key Stage 3 curriculums.